Welcome back to another video. Today we have Metabo HPT, we have Bosch clearance deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. Yeah, there's a lot of clearance deals, they're clearancing out all the Metabo and all the, pretty much got a whole bunch of deals. So that's why we broke up the video in brands, because there's so much to cover. We did go to 2 different stores, so stay tuned for the second store. As you guys see, a bunch of yellow tags here. Pretty much all the tools are on clearance. They might be bringing some new ones, they might be taking them out. So if you guys do know what's going on, let me know down in the comment section. They got this one, it's an impact driver drill driver, 5 amp hour 3 amp hour for $194. That is a killer smoking deal. These are brushless tools. These are middle grade tools. It is a cordless hammer drill, so you're getting a hammer drill with this thing. And the two medium-sized batteries, or 2 batteries. You're getting 2 batteries to charge in a bag. For $194 was $299. So from $299 it's down to $194. That's a killer deal. You're paying less than $100 per tool with battery. You got a circular saw there. You got another killer deal here, impact driver or drill driver for $103. This is the lowest I seen it. The other store that we went to later on, we did see this for $143. The impact driver was $103, so be sure to check it out if that's what you want. It does include a big battery, a 5 amp hour battery, and a 3 amp hour battery. So I ended up picking the drill driver and the triple hammer, which is that one, for $67. It's a killer smoking deal. From $149 it dropped down to $67. So we ended up getting that for the channel. So stay tuned for those tool reviews. We'll be putting these tools against other, Milwaukee DeWalt's. All the other brands, we'll make sure we'll get these tools against those so we can compare them. But yeah, this one was $67. This one's the one of the better models that they have. I don't know if this is the top of the line, as I'm not very familiar with Metabo HPT, but I think this is one of the better ones that they have, because it is the triple hammer. You got 2 bags for $20, so 24 pack of 42 gallons. I do have these bags. These bags are nice. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna pick some up next time I go there, because I got a huge yard and I go through those like crazy. They had this reciprocating saw. It is 12 volt for $99, special value. So they're running these deals, these kits from Bosch for $99. And they had running this one too. This is the drill driver, hammer drill. So brushless hammer, 1/2 inch hammer drill. And they had these blades here, reciprocating saw blades by Linux, 1998. Like I said, drill driver, the Freak, for $99. If you guys don't know what the Freak is, it does have the anvil for the sockets, and it does have the hex for the impact driver. So it has 2 different types of tool in one. Got the one-handed reciprocating saw for $129. As you guys see there, it's down to $99, as you guys did see on the previous. But this is the 12 volt section. So they got the Hex Impact Driver for $78. You got drill driver and impact driver. I believe it's $99. No, it's $121. It's $121 for it's $99, but it's $121 for the one that has the multi tools, the different type of tools you can put in there. And this is the laser measure for $229. It was $249 before, so apologize for the camera there. It's a crossline, the green crossline laser. I don't see any green on it, but maybe it's a different tool. Alright, this is the second store we went to. Actually, I think I flipped them around. This is the first store I went to, but it's the second one we show here. So this is the Flexi click drill, $121.91. This is the one this is like the fuel, the multi-tool thing that you can attach several different attachments, like a right angle, straight, just pretty much all kinds of attachments for cabinet use and stuff like that. It's a really nice tool to have. You got the Hex Impact Driver, $71. So you guys see there. So they're running a lot of clearance deals, guys. If you guys are looking into, Bosch is a very solid brand to get into. That's the 5-in-1 drill driver combo kit. It's like the Milwaukee installation driver. It's very similar to that. So if you guys don't want to spend so much, if you guys want to save some money, go with this brand. This brand is a really solid brand too. So then we got the Metabo, the circular saw for $59. I don't remember exactly how much we saw it at the other store, but you guys can rewind it and fast forward the video so you guys can look at it. You got Impact Driver, drill driver for $179. You guys are getting the, I believe is the Freak. You guys are getting the one that has the dual purpose, like impact wrench and the impact driver. Got the Brushless 2-tool combo kit at $209. It was $349. I believe this is a little bit better than that one, $179 kits. Then you got that one, I believe is the Freak for $99, and then you got the hammer drill for $99. That's the hammer drill there, brushless, half-inch hammer drill. So you guys see there. Like I said, all these are on sale, so be sure to check them out. And the vacuum right there. You get the 2-tool brushless combo kit, $179. That's the same one that we saw just before that. Then you got the Bulldog there. That's the rotary hammer. So you get, I believe it is coreless bare tool. Yes, it is. Core 18 bolts. That's the bandsaw, $92.93. So there's different prices. A lot of you are commenting that you guys saw this price before on my previous videos, but yeah, there's just a lot of variety and just different stores. This was the IP56 rated, so it is rated for under, you know, water basically. It's not 77. This is on the wrong side. It's actually $67. $179 for the reciprocating saw, 36 volts. That is a kit for $62. Impact driver. That's pretty much the lowest end that they have. That is the IP56 triple hammer. It's for $67 from $149 bare tool. That's the one we ended up getting for the channel. $149. I believe that's on the wrong section there. And 2-piece combo kit with the 3 amp hour and a 5 amp hour, $138 from $299. And then you got this oscillating tool, multi-tool, $89, bare tool, I believe. And then you got the impact driver with the big 5 amp hour battery and a 3 amp hour battery charger in a bag for $103.05, which is a killer deal. It is brushless tool. It's one of the middle grade from Metabo. So be sure to check it out. And then they had the hammer drill for $137 there. At the other store it was $103. So if you guys want a price match, go to the other section of this video and show it to your loves. See if they will price match it for you. But yeah, it's a really nice kit. I ended up getting that that hammer drill and the triple hammer at the other store. So yeah, it does have that nice battery, the multi-volt battery, the 36 volts or 18 volts. So that's a really nice battery to have, because if you have those 36 volt tools like the reciprocating saw, you can just pop that in. It's pretty much like DeWalt's flex volts. Yeah, these are great tools. These are professional grade tools. If you guys don't know Metabo HPT, that's the 1/4 impact driver for $103. So that's pretty much the display that they had. That's the 1/2 inch hammer drill for $183, and they didn't have that one. And then they had this for $99. That's pretty much the drill driver. Then they had this, guys. This is a killer smoking deal. If you're on the roofing line, if you're on the construction line, $259 from $607. Killer deal here. You're getting a circular saw, 36 volt circular saw. You're getting a 36 volt battery, and you're getting a roofing nailer there. Make sure you guys check it out. This is a nice combo kit on clearance. It's less than half. It's like 60% off, around there. It says bonus lobes special buy. You got a pro section here, $99 for the brushless 2-in-1 free compact driver, or the brushless hammer kit. That's the hammer. It's the same thing as in the other section. I'm just showing you guys the other section that they had and the same tools. But yeah, these are great. Any of these tools will get you definitely going. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos. We got a DeWalt video coming up. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.